Gentleman's game here. So with everything that's been going on in the world recently regarding COVID-19, chances are you probably haven't been able to go out and practice your body language around women. So I thought I'd do something a bit different today. Everyone knows how important eye contact is when you're trying to flirt. The more you can hold strong eye contact and not look away, the more confidence you're able to portray. And since it's looking like most clubs, bars, and pretty much any social venue is probably going to be shut down for the next couple of weeks to discourage lots of people from gathering, this video is going to be a great way to practice your eye contact. So I'm not going to talk at all once it starts. The goal is just to make super strong eye contact with the person on the screen and not look away. I know it'll probably feel pretty weird at first staring at a computer screen. If people can fool their brains into getting turned on by porn, which is just pixels on a screen, then why wouldn't they be able to practice eye contact with pixels on a screen? Okay, so with all that being said, here it goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that was a few minutes straight of practicing your eye contact. If you felt at all uncomfortable, then that's good. It means you're training your brain to hold eye contact, even though it feels awkward. So I hope you gained something out of this. Next week will be the third installment of the Art of Seduction series, so make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, peace.